Today I will be taking you through one of the most basic topics in Python variables. So here is a very simple statement: x is equal to 100. A variable definition is basically an entity of a program that holds a value. So in this case, x would be a variable and 100 would be its value. To better visualize this statement, let's consider a box now. If this box holds a value, say 100, then the name we give to this box, which in our case is x, would be the variable name. And 100, that is the content within the box or within the variable, would be the value of the variable. As we go through the various topics in the coming sections, you will have a better understanding of why we use variables and how to use them. So let's move on to the next topic, which is data types. Before we move on to this, let me explain to you what data types are. Before, you probably already know what data type is, but just in case you have it, data type is basically the type of value you assign to the variable. So in our previous example, we have seen that x is equal to 100. In layman terms, 100 is a number, so the data type would be a number. But when we come to programming languages, there are two types of numbers. There are integers and there are floats. Integers are basically numbers without a decimal point. Floats are numbers with decimal point. Other than this, a very common data type that we have in Python and other languages is string. So string is a word. In technical terms, we call them a collection of characters. Python also has few of its own data types. In the next lecture, we will move on to the Jupyter Notebook.